everyone. Myself Ashish Jain once again in front of you in Business Studies, Lecture 11, Principles of Management, Class 12th. And today we will going to study who was Frederick Winslow Taylor. As we all know, he was the founder of scientific management, the person, the personality who was born on 20th March 1856. It's also given in your page number 42, 43 and 44 of NCERT, but we will study in salt and sweetener. So F.W. Taylor was born on 20th March 1856 and died on 21st March 1915. He was a mechanical engineer as a profession and who got a degree of mechanical engineer from Stevens Institute of Technology in 1883. He was held in various positions in USA. He became the executive at Medwell Steel Company in 1884, which later became the Baltham Steel Company. He was also the professor at Stuck School of Business in 19,000. He was appointed as a president of American Society of Mechanical Engineers from 1906 to 07. He published the book Scientific Management in his article The Principle of Scientific Management in 1911, which we are still studying till today. I want to tell Taylor was not only an engineer but in the field of management he have done a lot. He was famous because he was also known as the father of scientific management. And in 1884, when he became an executive of Medwell Steel Company by his leadership, his main and original work was to introduce the piece rate wage system. After setting up the wage system, he was given the authority and more responsibility in the company. Using his newfound resource, he increased the staff and made Baltham a showpiece for intensive work. He died in 1915 due to pneumonia. So now we are going to study the principles of scientific management, what Taylor said. So point number 1, science not rule but thumb. According to this, Taylor insists that each job performed in the organization should be based on scientific inquiry and not an institution. For example, in rule of thumb, the standard time required to do a particular job is decided by the managers on the basis of his past experience. Secondly, harmony, not discard. According to this principle, those who work together in an organization must work in harmony, that is, with mutual give and take and proper understanding. For example, the main object of worker is to earn more and more object of management and to minimize production. Management should share the gain of company with workers, and at the same time worker must contribute to their best level. Third one, cooperation, not individualism. जैसे कि लिखा है, according to this, all workers and management should cooperate each other. No one should think of his or her individual. For example, while assigning job to worker, if management asks them about their interest and then work is assigned according to their interest. Lastly, development of each and every person to his greatest efficiency and prosperity. Industrial efficiency depends upon the efficiency of workers. Worker efficiency depends upon the proper training. and selection. Employees must send for training from time to time and update their knowledge. So this was the F.W. Taylor principles and his life sketch. Hope so you all like it. Please like and subscribe.